Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best portable washing machines of 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best portable washing machines of 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine, Compact and Powerful Laundry Solution. The Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine is a game-changer for small spaces, offering 17.8 pounds of laundry capacity in a 2.4 cu-feet compact design. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or dorms, this washer and dryer combo features a built-in drain pump for easy water removal and hassle-free operation. With 10 versatile wash programs, including delicate, quick wash, and heavy-duty cycles, it handles everything from clothes to bedding efficiently. The transparent lid lets you monitor progress, while the LED display ensures user-friendly controls. Its portable design with wheels makes moving effortless. Ideal for singles or couples, this energy-efficient machine saves time and money on laundromats. Enjoy quiet operation and reliable performance with the Nictemaw Portable Washer, your ultimate space-saving laundry companion. Number 2. Auertech Portable Washing Machine, Compact and Efficient Laundry Solution. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is a versatile and space-saving laundry solution, perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. With a 28 pounds total capacity, this twin tub design features an 18 pounds washer and a 10 pound spinner, allowing you to wash and spin dry clothes efficiently. Its semi-automatic operation makes it easy to use. Simply load clothes, add water and detergent, and let the machine handle the rest. The built-in drain pump ensures quick water removal, saving time and effort. Designed for portability and convenience, this compact washer is ideal for those with limited space or on-the-go lifestyles. The durable construction and powerful performance make it a reliable choice for everyday laundry needs. Enjoy energy-efficient washing without sacrificing performance. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is a budget-friendly, user-friendly appliance that simplifies laundry day. Perfect for small loads, travel, and compact living spaces. Number 3. Zynkez Portable Washing Machine, Compact and Efficient Laundry Solution. The Zynkez Portable Washing Machine is a versatile and space-saving laundry solution, perfect for small apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, or travel. With a 28 pounds capacity, this semi-automatic twin tub design features an 18 pounds washer and a 10 pound spinner, allowing you to wash and spin dry clothes efficiently. Key features: Heavy checkmark built-in drain pump, easily drains dirty water without manual lifting. Heavy checkmark compact and portable, lightweight design with handles for easy mobility. Heavy checkmark powerful performance, cleans clothes thoroughly while saving water and energy. Heavy checkmark user-friendly, simple controls and a transparent lid for monitoring progress. Ideal for small loads, delicate fabrics, and quick laundry tasks, this washer is a cost-effective alternative to bulky machines. Enjoy hassle-free laundry days with the Zynkez Portable Washing Machine, perfect for students, campers, and urban living. Portable washer compact laundry twin tub washer space saving. Number 4. VCJ Portable Washing Machine, Compact and Efficient Laundry Solution. The VCJ Portable Washing Machine is a versatile twin tub laundry solution, perfect for small spaces like apartments, dormitories, and RVs. With a total capacity of 20 pounds, it features a 12 pounds washer and an 8 pound spinner dryer, allowing you to wash and spin dry clothes efficiently in one compact unit. This portable washer is designed for convenience, offering easy operation and energy-saving performance. The transparent lid lets you monitor the washing process, while the powerful motor ensures thorough cleaning. The spinner tub removes excess water, reducing drying time. Ideal for travel, camping, or small households, the VCJ washing machine is lightweight, durable, and user-friendly. No complicated installation is needed, just connect it to a standard faucet and start washing. Key features: Heavy checkmark 20 pounds total capacity, 12 pounds wash plus 8 pounds spin. Heavy checkmark compact and portable design. Heavy checkmark energy efficient operation. Heavy checkmark easy to use and maintain. Upgrade your laundry routine with the VCJ Portable Twin Tub Washer, powerful, practical, and space-saving. Number 5. Portable Washing Machine, Full Automatic Compact Washer and Spin Combo, 17 pounds capacity. Upgrade your laundry routine with this full automatic portable washing machine, perfect for small spaces, apartments, RVs, and dorms. With a 17 pounds capacity, it efficiently handles daily loads while saving water and energy. Key features: Heavy checkmark 10 custom programs, choose from quick wash, heavy duty, delicate, and more for versatile cleaning. Heavy checkmark built-in drain pump, effortless water drainage for hassle-free operation. Heavy checkmark low noise design, quiet performance ideal for home use without disturbances. Heavy checkmark compact and lightweight, easy to move and store, perfect for tight spaces. Heavy checkmark spin and wash combo, washes and spins clothes for faster drying. Ideal for singles, couples, or small families, this portable washer offers convenience without sacrificing performance. Enjoy clean clothes anytime, anywhere, no plumbing required. Get yours today and simplify your laundry routine. Rock it!